तो सही ला लो,
इनकी ले ही लेना,
हमारी भी ले लेना सर।
हुलगी हुलगी बोलते हैं। आवाज बागा मार सुन ले और कुछ वीडियो करने मारते चले गए। ओपन है नहीं था निशान देख दो। ए बिंत्री बिंत्री ಈಗ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಕೊಡಿ ನಾವು उधर क्या था? एक ही मूर्ति आई ना, मूर्ति कर रहे डॉक्टर अपने हर्षवर्धन सर। सर
आप वीडियो शूट बाहर कर रहे हो तो मुझे दिखेगा नहीं, आपके पास एक ही कैमरा है।
हाँ सर,
तो हमको आपको देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, हम बाद में देखेंगे।
यस सर,
बट यू स्टार्ट फास्ट फास्ट फास्ट।
यस सर, वी हैव स्टार्टेड।
थैंक यू वेरी मच बेटा।
यस सर, थैंक यू। जिसने ले आइडिया आगे करो, बस आ जाइए सर, आ जाइए, प्लीज बैठिए सर। सर अभी जिन लोगों ने लिखा है ऑलरेडी वो डायरेक्टली वहाँ पे बस पेन 1 सेकंड के लिए दिखाइए और आ जाइए अंदर। नहीं, ये ऑडियो इज़ नॉट रिकॉर्डर, मतलब वो हम नहीं देने वाले, डोंट वरी। आइए सर, आ जाइए।
सर आईडी दिखा कीजिए प्लीज़। हाँ ओके।
बाहर जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी सिग्नेचर किया है वो अंदर आ सकते हैं, या रजिस्ट्रेशन। नो, हियर यू आर डन, नॉट डन। बोल देता हूँ आप एंट्री करते जाओ आईडी दिखा के बस आईडी दिखा बाद में आप सबको नोटबुक आ जाओ सो विल सेव द टाइम या ओके नहीं रहने दो जस्ट शो द आईडी आप पास में कॉन्टैक्ट करो
आईडी प्लीज आईडी
कैमरा अरे पीछे तो ब्लैंक है
शोल्डर
आपका आईडी जो है आपका आईडी कैमरे की तरफ बस दिखा दीजिए
आईडी दिखलाना
Within 5 to 10 minutes slide demonstration will start. मेरी सबसे ये विनती है कि आप ऑडिटोरियम में आ जाइए प्लीज। ऑडिटोरियम में बुला लेंगे सबको आपका आईडी दिखा के अभी हम सब
हाँ
वो बंदे को खाली दे दो
ब्रो
प्रिंट आउट आ रहा है ना उसको ये जो हो गया ना उसको घुमा देंगे ना उसके साथ सर इसको ही सर्कुलेट कर
एक मिनट
जस्ट शो योर आईडी ऑन द कैमरा एंड एंटर मेरी सर्विस से ये रिक्वेस्ट क्वेश्चन कीजिए वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद इन 5 मिनट्स हाँ फिर पूरा सर्कुलेट ओके वी आर रेडी
breakfast. Live demonstration will be started soon.
ऑलरेडी लिस्ट है आगे एज वगैरह वो आसान काम होता है लेकिन उसमें काम हो जाता है हर एक का नाम जोड़ने में टाइम जाता है उसमें नाम लिख के हो जाता है सर स्टेज कमेटी वालों को बुलाएंगे
हेलो
क्या टेल मी
सर धन्वंतरी स्तवन का तैयारी करना पड़ेगा
आपके फोकस कर हेलो
सर धन्वंतरी स्थल वहाँ पे मतलब वहाँ के धन्वंतरी की पूजन करेंगे
हम पूजन यहाँ करेंगे
लाइव दिखा देंगे बिकॉज यहाँ पे कैमरा जो है वो चालू है
मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ नाउ इज इट क्लियर?
यस सर।
देखो ऐसा है कि हम यहाँ से आपको दृश्य दिखा रहे हैं
ठीक है सर।
और शब्दों के द्वारा वहाँ से पूजन होगा,
ठीक है।
ठीक है? इट्स ओनली हैपन इन घट पर्व।
ले भाई, हाँ ले भाई।
ठीक है।
हाँ ना है ना।
उधर से
Good morning to everyone. I welcome you all for this team of students from this institute.
महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि, महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि, वसिष्ठवामदेवादिपूजितमहागणपतिम्। महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं, महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं, मारकोटिप्रकाशं शान्तं, महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं, महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं, मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं, महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि, महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि, वसिष्ठवामदेवादिपूजितमहागणपतिम्।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, Dr. Madhuri. Sorry, clear.
पुराण को माइक में जरा प्लीज। कल हम लोगों ने चाणक्य की ऋचा चैरिटी इंस्टीट्यूट के पास की थी।
सॉरी।
कल चाणक्य की ऋचा
हाँ
हमने डाउनलोड की है,
हाँ हाँ।
वो वहाँ से बजा दो, हम लोग हमारा कार्यक्रम आगे शुरू कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू।
एक मिनट सर, एक मिनट।
एनीवे यू फाइंड आउट एंड डू इट।
पहले एक धन्वंतरि स्तवन कर रहे हैं सर।
सर एक धन्वंतरी स्तवन करने पहले एक मिनट।
आदिदेवं सुरासुरैर्वन्दितपादपद्मं, लोके जरारुद्धयं मृत्युनाशं, नातारनीशं विविधौषधिनां, धन्वन्तरिं प्रमाणातं, सर्वरोगनिवारकम्, आयुर्वेदप्रवक्तारपीयूषदायकम्, सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Thank you.
धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you very much. With this August and auspicious Dhanvantari Pujan and Stavan, we are about. संघवी सर, वो अभी आपने जो रुपया बजाने को बोला था वो अभी काउंट कर।
ॐ
much.
Myself and Dr. Sanvi and this team, we have done a lot of efforts to get this function better and successful way. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I have been visiting your institute for last 3-4 times, and we have seen your efforts and your genuine willingness to organize this event. Thank you.
ये सुंदर चेहरा देखो.
Myself, Dr. Manish Duri. I am looking after all this audiovisual presentation here.
ये डॉक्टर मनीष दुरी को ये ड्रेस पे कैसे क्या ओटी में आने दिया?
अरे पता नहीं, सॉरी सर, सॉरी. आप मालूम नहीं आप प्रोफेसर हैं.
Myself, Dr. Tushar Shah. I'm practicing in Government Manimin Ayurveda Hospital, Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
Welcome, Dr. Tushar.
Myself, Dr. Gajan Thakur, practicing at Hungary, Maharashtra.
Welcome, Dr. Dhadwin. Dr. Sachin Patil, I can see.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Dr. Sachin Patil, presently working here only in this college and hospital.
Dr. Sachin Patil is also working for this conference along with Dr. N.H. Kulkarni. I can see this. Dr. N.H. Kulkarni, welcome,
Yes,
sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. I am Dr. N.H. Kulkarni, working in the Department of Television as professor.
Dr. Chandrakant Jadhav, working at Wardha.
Myself, Dr. Sachin Patil, Nashik.
Welcome, Dr. Sachin Patil.
And Dr. Prabhakar Naik, working in JG Corporate Hospital.
Dr. Prabhakar is also related working from this institute to organize this conference.
Good morning, everyone. I am Rupesh Ghate from Shalya Electrosurgery, Colorado.
सोलंकी सर, इनकी जो डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट है वो यहाँ पर जो बात चल रही थी ना, 21वीं सदी और 16वीं सदी में, ये 21वीं सदी वाला है.
Welcome, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Darshak Kedia from Alan Electronics. We provide vessel sealing systems.
Welcome. We are eager to see your demonstration from your company.
Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Sandeep Tadekar from Puri, Maharashtra.
Welcome, Sandeep.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kishore Pawar, working in Type Medica. We are providing electronic laser machine.
Welcome, Kishore. We have seen you already on the screen when you are taking selfie.
हॅलो, मी खारघर एरा हॉस्पिटलची सिस्टर आहे.
नाम सांगा.
वंदना सूर्यवंशी.
Welcome, Vandana sister. And
No?
yes.
My name is Basraj. I can
हेलो बसवराज. संधि सर, आपने एक एक को पकड़ पकड़ के इंट्रोडक्शन अगर पूरा हो गया होगा तो शी इज ए पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम मुंबई. तो हमको केस हिस्ट्री बताइए. पहला केस हिस्ट्री.
या पहला केस जो है वो राजेश गुप्ता कर रहा है, एंड ही अलोक कर.
Brief the history.
Yes, sir.
Everything, patient's age, his present complaint, what was done. You said that you will be doing tear stitch.
Yes, sir.
But
Sphincter are very lax.
sphincter tone is
Very lax
less.
sphincter. He is having bacillus sphincter.
Okay. डॉक्टर अलोक, ये म्यूकोरेक्टोपेक्सी करने से पहले कंजर्वेटिव ट्रीटमेंट क्या करेंगे अगर स्फिंक्टर टोन कम है तो? Is there any conservative line of treatment for this? Anybody can answer.
1 minute, sir. Sir.
Yeah.
Here is already done by Dr. Patil sir, because patient is diabetic. So for fitness purpose, for temporary relief to the patient, sir had done tear stitch. We will remove the tear stitch and we will do transvaginal sacrovectopexy.
2 questions, Dr. Alok.
Yes.
One thing, when was the tear stitch put? कभी डाला था?
If sphincter are very lax, which the prolapsing part, that is posterior wall of the rectum to presacral fascia, that is called sacrovectopexy.
नहीं, ये tear stitch कभी लगाया था ये patient को?
Before 10 days. Before 10 days.
Patil sir.
Patient was presented with mass rectum. So when we seen it, there was a complete rectal prolapse, about more than 6 inches was been outside, and it was very difficult to put it inside. That is the reason we put it in spinal anesthesia, and the reduction has been done, thinking that it will be needed rectopexy, where the subtle fixation has to be done. But after 2 days, because his blood sugar was very high, about anesthetically was not fit, and that is the reason we planned for the elective surgery. Meanwhile, after 2 days, once again his rectum came out, and it was a repeated thing which happening. So to prevent the repeated collapse of the rectum, which was necessary to put it back by anesthesia only, so we don't want to make it a more prone for the patient for anesthesia, repeated anesthesia, and that is the reason we took a temporary prestige. Now patient's blood sugar is totally fine. So we wanted to do a laparoscopic rectopexy, but because of our Ayurvedic teams are there, which is very minimum invasive surgery, what we are going to do is lateral fixation, and that's what we are going to do it now. Thank you.
Dr. Patil, one quick question. Could his uncontrolled diabetes can be reason for prolapse rectum?
No, it was not.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Any questions from the audience regarding the history of this patient and procedure they have described? We are already seeing on the way procedure. If any question from the audience? So there is no question. I think the patient is undergoing anesthesia induction. What kind of anesthesia we are putting?
Spinal anesthesia is going to get now. Spinal.
Dr. Patil sir, there is a question for you. Sir, there is a question for you. Dr. Patil, yeah, what could be the reason that despite of putting this tear stitch, we could not control the prolapse of rectum?
No, after tear stitch, it is not coming out now. It is totally controlled, but the tear stitch is not the answer for the rectal prolapse. So we need a sacral fixation, and that is the reason we put it temporarily tear stitch. Tear stitch is only put it when in the pediatric age, not in the adults, because already there is no question of fixing, or there is no question of growth of the rectal of the fascia. And when in the adult, everything growth is done. So if it is part of that also, if it is coming out, that means that it needs a fixation. And that is the reason these stitches only temporary in the adult, what we put it. So that repeated prolapse should not be occurring.
Thank you, sir. There is a question for anesthetist Mahalingappa.
Dr. Solanki sir, give me 1 minute.
Boli.
He is settling the patient, and then he will come to give you all the answers. If I can help you, ask.
Okay, we can hold the question for the anesthetist, and we can go ahead for the procedure discussion about the patient.
Question regarding anesthesia, Rajesh from the batting. Rajesh Gupta.
What kind of anesthesia medication was put for spinal, and what was the dose?
Almost all the aerorectal procedures are done under saddle block or spinal anesthesia. Generally, the fitness problem only comes when the patient has either a deformed spine or is suffering from some spinal problem. Otherwise, most safest in anesthesia is a saddle block or a spinal or epidural.
Dr. Rajesh Gupta, we have quite a good number of students participating in this conference. For their sake, can you tell me what is the difference between spinal anesthesia and saddle?
Now, saddle anesthesia is one type of spinal anesthesia where you ask the patient to sit for some time after the drug has been delivered into the spinal canal. The whole idea behind is that the drug settles down to the limited area. Otherwise, you have a segmental approach in spinal anesthesia. Now, spinal anesthesia you can give up to L1. Now, if you give you are delivering the drug at the L1, L2 level, you can get anesthesia up to umbilicus or even above. But when you want only the action to be converted into the perianal region and the associated area, saddle anesthesia should be best.
So saddle anesthesia will settle down and it will be limited to the hypogastrium and the saddle area.
Yeah.
And if suppose we want higher level, then you ask the patient immediately to lie down.
Lie down.
And what was the drug used?
Now the drug used generally is a form of xylocaine which we use for local. Here the concentration is more. Here they use bupivacaine, which is a long-acting spinal analgesic drug.
Bupivacaine. Otherwise xylocaine, which heavier xylocaine you use for spinal?
Xylocaine generally has different concentrations for different use. You have 4% for mucosal use. You have 2% for your local injections.
And for spinal, I believe 5%?
Yeah, that it comes with local xylocaine. There the ampoule has got only 2 ml. This is bupivacaine, this is containing 4 ml of drug, which is a long-acting drug.
Okay, sir, when we give spinal anesthesia, what kind of complications we face immediately after giving spinal?
Now, spinal anesthesia, once given, you have to be very careful monitoring the pulse rate and the blood pressure. These are two very important aspects of the spinal because there is a known side effect occurring, that is bradycardia and hypotension. And the reason is once you use spinal drug into the canal, the lower portion, that is the lower extremity, there is a sudden vasodilation. And the blood pools up and the return is hampered. And that results in hypotension. And because of hypotension, there is a reduced flow to the heart and there is a bradycardia. So this has to be monitored. It is not in all patients, but some patients show this thing.
So what precaution we should take for this?
Precaution is that you have to monitor it. Suppose you get a bradycardia which is less than 50, you can use drug like glycopyrrolate and atropine. If there is a hypotension which is going below 90, first thing you have to give fast fluid, and second thing you have to use drug like mepentine or termine, what is available today, and this helps to correct the thing immediately.
That is for bradycardia. What about hypotension?
Hypotension, you give it, as I told you, you have to give fluid in a little bit faster manner. Now some anesthetists, there is a practice that before they take up on the spinal anesthesia, they load the patient with free fluid, that is known as. They give 1 pint before delivering anesthesia, and the next pint what is given during anesthesia is a fast fluid. That helps in correcting the hypotension. And if at all it is not corrected, you can use some drugs like termine available.
Now sir, this patient is diabetic, so which IV fluid you will prefer?
It depends upon his blood sugar level. If it is almost normal, then you can use normal saline, you can use linger lactate. Now in surgery, I think the concept of diabetic management is that you have to maintain the sugar above 150. You should not bring down below it. Because you land into hypoglycemia. Patient is kept fasting for almost 8 to 12 hours, and that can lead to hypoglycemia.
Sir, you prefer shock of hypoglycemia or hyperglycemia?
We always try to see that the patient remains above the glycemic index because that is useful. And today it has been proved that hypoglycemia itself is more dangerous than hyperglycemia.
So hypoglycemia can kill the patient?
Yeah, because hypoglycemia results in brain damage, damage to the kidney, which takes more time to be recovered.
So the responsibility of anesthetist increases when he takes the diabetic patient for operative table?
Definitely. As far as this anesthesia is concerned, you can see this trolley is there.
Please move the camera towards trolley.
This is the anesthetic apparatus, which once upon a time was known as Boyle's apparatus. This is a very, you can say, modernized machine, which has all the gadgets, even ventilators can be attached. Then there is a regulation where you have number of things here. You have got oxygen, you have got a carbon dioxide, you have a nitrous oxide. All these things are there here. The cylinders are there. There is a central line here. You can see the OT is a well equipped one. You can see these pipelines connected. This yellow, white, and black. So this is a very good OT. And we congratulate the CEO of the hospital that he has a very well, you can say, instrument kept in the OT, and nice OT surrounding, and spacious OT where you can work comfortably.
Yeah, Dr. Rajesh Gupta, it's really pleasure and reassuring to work in such a well-equipped operation theatre, and it is so relaxing mind when you have a good anesthetist, well-equipped operation theatre, and a good management standing behind you for such operative procedure. I agree with you.
Solanki sir.
बोलिए.
CEO Patil sir want to add about this hospital.
I will thank you sir for your comments. And I want to say specifically, this is one of the OT where about 50 years back it's been inaugurated by President of India, Mr. Rajendra Prasad. So I'm very proud that the President of India would take in this OT. So I wanted to make this conference and this
still यहाँ तो हम लोग यहाँ पर जो है ना कहाँ शुरू करूँ कहाँ खत्म तो started from these hospitals and college and then we back to the back even though now we saw from the Vittal IVF College from Sastavu department he was also a principal over here and sir and then they have a very good Ayurvedic college and institution and I thanks to him Chairman sir, principal and around all the teachers who has worked for this one. I think so. Alok, are you ready? Okay. So now I will be hand over to mic to Alok and camera and anything I will be here to assist you, sir. Thank you very much.
Sir, Alok को कॉलर माइक लगा देना तो ऑपरेट करते हुए बात कर सकेगा वो.
Already it is there. No, I think so. Rakesh.
If there is a collar mic, put it with the surgeon always. Every procedure, any surgeon who is performing the procedure, please give him collar mic so that he can continue communicating with the audience in the auditorium and we can carry out the question answer also simultaneously if he is comfortable.
Yeah, he is comfortable. Every surgeon is comfortable with two way.
Thank you, sir. Very good.
APA, all the members, is been comfortable in any place, anywhere. I am proud of my good team. They can work anywhere, they can do anything and they can perform without any hesitations.
That is what we call wait, there is a sound disturbance, just wait.
Solanki sir, good morning sir.
Good morning Dr. Alok Gupta.
Yes sir.
You are starting the procedure.
Yes sir, starting the procedure.
One minute, जो कैमरा है वो पेशेंट के ऊपर नहीं है, कैमरा सेटल होने दो and please settle the audio disturbances also.
Okay sir.
ऑडियो डिस्टर्बेंस भी है थोड़ा सा और कैमरा भी. ये पहला ऑपरेशन है, इसके स्टार्टिंग हिकअप्स रहेंगे ऑडियो विजुअल दोनों में, वो सेटल हो जाने दो and then we will communicate. Yeah, the camera is there. अभी कैमरामैन को बोलना, मैं जब जूम करने को बोलूँगा जूम इन और जूम आउट वेल अवर्स हो जाए लो.
ठीक है.
I can see Chandrakant assisting you, Dr. Chandrakant, and who is the second assistant, Dr. Sachin Patil. Yeah, and Dr. Alok Gupta at the head of the procedure, that is sacral rectopexy. Yeah, sure. I can see that you are adjusting the table and position of the patient. So do that. Yeah, that's it. बस zoom out करिए थोड़ा. बस enough. Thank you.
Okay.
ये लाइट ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Enough. This is enough light.
Enough light, sir?
Yeah. Enough.
Now, can you see this proctoscope, operating proctoscope?
Yes.
This is 14 centimeter long operating proctoscope having 3.6 diameter and also having slit for any operating procedure.
Great.
And it is self-illuminating.
अरे भैया ये तो कुछ स्पेशली बनाया हुआ लग रहा है.
Chute. This is light source, portable light source.
ओके,
Okay sir?
वो जो प्रोक्टोस्कोप अभी आपने दिखाया
हाँ सर.
ये इजीली अवेलेबल है क्या हमारे लिए?
हाँ सर, आप सभी के लिए अवेलेबल है, एकता सर्जिकल में अवेलेबल है और आज स्टॉल भी है सर उनका.
वेरी गुड.
ओके सर, थैंक यू. डॉक्टर चिंटे सर है डिजाइन इस प्रोक्टोस्कोप.
मक्खन लगाओ.
हाँ सर. पहले वो
ब्रेड बटर मैं आया तब खत्म हो चुका था सर. जी सर. हेलो, आपने भी ये क्या कट लिया? Have you pulled it out?
हाँ, एक मिनट सर, वो निकाला.
ये 6 o'clock पे आपने म्यूकोक्यूटेनियस जंक्शन पर इंसिजन लिया है.
हाँ सर, म्यूकोक्यूटेनियस जंक्शन पे.
You can see the mucocutaneous junction and if you can demonstrate pectinate line.
Yes sir.
बाद में चलेगा.
ये pectinate line है. This is dentate line और pectinate line.
You can see the white line.
White line.
Keep it angle, right? This is a perfect angle.
Sir.
बोलिए सर.
This is angle work. This is dentate line.
Yes, beautifully seen.
Beautifully seen. Thank you. Now we are taking first suture from S3 level, that is 11 centimeter above the anal wall.
Sacral 3 level.
Sacral 3 level from anal wall 11 centimeter above.
किसको हम सीएंगे अभी?
अभी हम
sacral periosteum.
हाँ, periosteum.
Absorbable suture material. हाँ डॉक्टर लोग.
हाँ सर.
Non-absorbable.
It is absorbable.
It is absorbable suture material.
Yes sir.
Hello.
हाँ सर. कितने समय में usually वो absorb होता है? 3 महीना, maximum 3 months.
It takes 3 months to absorb this suture material. So for quite a long duration, this suture will be remaining there. By that time, I think it should get fibrosed.
It gets fibrosed and it will get fixed to pre-sacral fascia. So we are taking first suture.
आपका सर बीच में आया. Thank you.
सर,
बोलिए सर.
मेरी आपसे प्रार्थना है कि वहाँ पर मुझे जो टीचर बैठे हैं,
जी.
ये हमारे जो टीचर हैं,
जी.
उनका जो पैटर्न क्या है, क्या डिग्रीज है, क्या क्या इसके अलावा और कुछ है, वो भी उनको समझाने के लिए आपका आभारी हूँ.
बिल्कुल सर, हम उसका पूरा फायदा लेंगे. डॉक्टर जोगन पत्रा फ्रॉम गुजरात. I can see he is in the audience, and if Dr. Alok does not require, I will ask Dr. Jogan Patra to please talk on the products of rectum. और अगर बीच में आलोक अगर बात करना चाहें तो कभी भी इंटरप्ट कर सकते हैं.
हाँ सर, सिर्फ एक ही इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है जो कि अपन सबको नोट करना चाहिए. जब अपन प्री-सैक्रल सेक्शन से अगर पास हुए तो अपन ये जब खींच के लेते हुए अपन टूल करेंगे तो जो प्रोडक्टिव पार्ट है वो स्लाइड नहीं होगा, ये फिक्स है.
So it is into pre-sacral fascia. ये कंफर्म होगा ये करने से. Right, very good. बोलिए सर.
मेरी प्रार्थना है कि pre-sacral fascia में मुझे नहीं समझता है स्टूडेंट. Would you like to explain what is pre-sacral fascia?
One second.
Are you a very good teacher?
Yeah. Dr. Jogan Patra says today afternoon post-lunch session, he is going to talk on this only and he will be explaining pre-sacral fascia and everything in his lecture.
Thank you very much.
Dr. Alok, how you make sure that your needle hit the presacral fascia and it is fixed? Please repeat.
Yes, sir. जब प्रीसैक्रल फेशिया को अपन हिट करते हैं तो नीडल हिट करने का अपना सेंसेशन फील होगा।
हार्ड सरफेस को नीडल हिट कर रहे
तो नीडल हिट करते हैं।
आपका हेड।
हाँ सर।
थैंक यू। जरा ऊपर उठाइए प्रोस्कोप, लिफ्ट अप लिटिल बिट। या थैंक यू। Again, pull the threads and shows that it has hit the presacral fascia and it's fixed. Lift up the proctoscope handle, lift up करिए जरा, and then yeah, very good. Now it is okay. कौन है असिस्टेंट? नाश्ता नहीं किया है? Yeah, we can see the thread is fixed. And now he is putting the knot, fixing the posterior rectal wall with presacral fascia. This is second suture, Dr. Alok Gupta? This is first itself.
We have to take 4 to 5 knots because period becomes like little. So we will take 4 knots.
She is a very good teacher and very good operating hand.
Yeah, we welcome her wholeheartedly and escorted her in the front row. I don't know, cameraman has put.
Yes, yes. Very smiling face, both of you look nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Dr. Santi, madam. Solanki sir.
Yeah.
Let me introduce Dr. Patil sir, CEO. As an head of the department and welcome her over here. Dr. Patil sir is on the mic.
Hello sir, good morning everyone sir. Thank you for calling me here sir. It's a nice procedure going on. I am seeing since from the beginning onwards. Thank you sir, thank you.
मैडम ये प्रोसीजर आपके गुरुजी की है.
I have seen it too. These are the microscope only.
Please explain better than us. You are the one of the most hospitable of Dr. Jimbe.
Yeah, sir. Actually, the procedure was invented on the basis of the laparoscopic rectopexy. What we are doing in the laparoscopic rectopexy is posteriorly we are keeping the mesh to the sacrum and fixing the rectum to the mesh. So the same concept with the lengthy proctoscope we are doing from perineal area. So it is easy without getting much trauma and much experience is also not that much needed for doing this procedure. Feeling the sacrum is important
सर चाय पीने गए
अच्छी बात है, उसको मिलने दे। और सबसे बढ़िया जो मेरी टीम है वो Dr. Mike along with from the NSF is coming over here, and he was always with me when I was a student, and he is a very good anesthetiist. Both of us students, and we myself and our team, we are very proud that he has given time to come over here. Dr. Mike.
Welcome Dr. Mike sir.
सबसे लोग ताली को बजाओ। Thank you very much. See the photograph, man? I think so Dr. Patil will be in the mic and he will explain what was it is.
It's not audible. No sir.
Hello?
Yes sir, it's audible.
So what you are seeing in the picture, there is a patient presented with mass rectum, and on examination there was a complete collapse with about 6 centimeters outside the verge. And because of the persistent training, there was a lot of edema, and that was not possible to get reduction of this collapse was not possible. So what we wanted to do, we put it in a spinal position, where we can do it without any much problem or much restriction to the movement. We put it back. So what you are seeing is there is a procedure of reduction. So it was happened about 2 to 3 times in persistent about in 4-5 days, and that was the reason we put it these stitches.
There will be arterial obstruction again. So there is a chance of gangrene and perforation. All the things can occur, whatever the obstructed inguinal hernia type of things. So you can see this case also. Otherwise, the prolapse will be more and more. Total intestine will come out slowly because of this heaviness of the colon, which is dragging the inside things out. So that's why sir kept the fish wiring. So why he removed that rolling stitch I am seeing from the back side. So because they unable to keep the thing inside, so they did fish wiring first, and after that they have taken the case. Okay, nice.
Because of these multiple reasons, the patient keeps on having such a large rectal prostodentia, and we see such cases into the rural part of our country, where these patients are either ignored, not treated for a variety of reasons. And there is another approach of open surgical approach from hypogastric region.
Either laparoscopic or open procedure. Both the things will cut the mesorectum and will keep the straightening of the rectum. Will pull the rectum inside totally. Then will lateral ligament action is also fibrosis and fixing the things at the sacral level. The same action will be scleroderma here. So scleroderms are multiple scleroderms are there. So we are doing sacral sodium.
So, Dr. Alok,
Yes sir, we are taken 3 stitches and posterior of the rectum is fixed to pre-sacral fascia.
posterior wall of the rectum is fixed.
Okay, pre-sacral
What will be your next step?
Just I will see anal mucosa it lacks or it will go through. Then I will do mucopexy. Then again sphere stitch because patient is having a very lax sphincter.
So you will again replace the tear
Tear
stitch,
stitch.
and as Dr. Sharan Shanti was discussing, do you intend to use some sclerosing agent?
Yeah, sir. I am giving sclero in between each stitch.
In between these three
Stitches. Here. In between these stitches.
which sclerosing agent you will use?
Polydocina.
Polydocina.
Askerol. By the name of Askerol.
The trade name is Askerol.
Askerol. परत बॉस्टिंग द्या उले पण कोण प्रेस
There is a question from audience of Kalagupta.
Yeah, sir. Sir, good evening. Yeah.
Anatomy.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
I have got a question, sir. Whether while fixation, whether the arteries will be ligated, or if it is ligated, what is to be done?
No.
We are
We are taking at 6 o'clock and all the vessels are laterally. Hello?
Yes, Dr.
Sir, we are taking, this is only place or we are taking suture at 6 o'clock and all the vessels are they are at lateral level. We are not targeting any vessel.
So comparatively 6 o'clock is a avascular area.
Vascular area, it is a very good place to take stitches.
At 6 o'clock.
At 6 o'clock.
There are multiple collators in the rectal area,
Yes.
so there won't be any fear of compromise of the arterial supply. It is rich vascularity.
Yeah.
So nature is quite meherban on the rectum, having the rich collaterals.
Intrinsic sclero in between all stitches.
So only the mesh, what we are all these years, what we are doing is mesh ectopexis.
Yeah.
The mesh action is anchoring the tissue to the sacrum and not allowing the tissue to slide down by fibrosis. So the same action we are getting with this sclerosis.
Yes.
So we are taking anyhow PDS stitches.
Yeah, madam.
It will take long time to resolve. By that time the fibrosis will be attained and the tissue will be anchored to the sacrum. It won't come down again.
Yes, it will fit.
Thoda handle lift up कीजिए slightly angle. Yeah, we can see now inside.
Hello?
Sir.
Are you comfortable to answer our letter to that? Which should I write?
Yes, sir, I am comfortable.
Okay. So what type of sclerosing agent you use and how you balance it?
I have taken 2 ml of pyrrolic and 2 ml of distilled water.
Pyrrolic is a 3%.
3%.
Okay, thank you.
And you are injecting in submucosal domain.
No, sir.
Whole thickness of rectum.
Whole thickness of up to the presacral fascia.
Okay,
because we want fibrosis there.
Okay, so you are needle is hitting presacral fascia.
Yeah.
Traversing the whole thickness of the rectum.
Yeah.
And then you are injecting the medicine.
Yeah, sir. You can see the depth of the needle. Up to this depth, I have infiltrated.
If the sclerosing is very superficial, there will be a chance of ulceration and stuffing of the tissue.
Rectal ulceration.
Yes.
You
So
are
we
absolutely
have to
correct.
be cautious.
The complication says that after the sclerotherapy, that area became an inflamed and became an abscess.
Not in the rectal prolapse, but when I have given it for the second degree, in my beginning days of practice, when I have given to the second degree hemorrhoids along with the
the blood parameter shows the abnormality and what is the choice of the blood get done.
First patient presented with the burning, lot of burning. If our fluorescent is not properly placed, the first symptom is the burning pains. Afterwards, the rest of the things will occur slowly one by one. There will be a delayed hemorrhage, not primary or reactionary. Delayed hemorrhage after 7 days to 14 days. Because of the snapping of the tissue over there.
Right, but any role of CBC? Complete that now any role about this black or
There is no right of urocyte count that nothing is there. It is a local infection.
fever is there, and it is there is your abscess is there, and the PVC is not in increase. So which condition it can be handled?
If it is a perennial sepsis, the sepsis is spreading. If the sepsis is spreading throughout the perineum, then it will be chance. I have given only for one single pedicle. So that's what the first my practice started with clearance.
My question is regarding next year what we are doing, and we will work that in the chemotherapy. Right? Here, we have chemotherapy. That is this area, even if we get absent, what will be the symptoms and what is the treatment?
Every patient will present with pain and fever, and they will be like a urocyte count. If it is fluctuating abscess, we have to give a cut over the mucosa without draining it. Or otherwise it is a difficult task. But we can know that there will be erythemas and multiple times the patient will pass infrequent stools.
Any role of the investigation practice or USD in this case?
One second, Sanjay sir. I would like to ask Dr. Alok what he is doing now.
Mucopexy.
He is doing mucopexy with suture material.
Vaginal rapid show suture material. Dr. Dhalwes will show suture material.
Focus. Focus.
Have you appreciated, sir?
Yeah, 1 second. This is the suture material. He is doing ectopexy.
No, sir. This is a suture material, vaginal rapid. It is a suture designed by me.
Okay. Very good.
Dr. Dhalwes is showing.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Yes, madam.
So sir is doing mucopexy.
Mucopexy.
Along with the rectopexy, he is addressing the anterior component also, anterior and posterior.
Yes, madam. Yeah.
So we are transferring that it won't
You can see LNW2730AG. Sanghvi sir, Dr. Sanghvi, clear completion. So let us prepare for the second phase. Put a PIP.
वो एक्टिविटी सेशन का लेजर वाला टेबल था, एक 700 वाला टेबल है, वो रूल में काम करता है जैसे कि लोग उनका के बीच में हुआ था वैसे, और ये सेशन और ये जो है लोकल के अंदर में कुछ विषय आपके बारे में
We are back with you. You are quite visible and audible.
Yes, sir.
You have done the stretching.
Yes, sir. Stretching is over now. I'm going to go and explore the
Vestibular.
Yes, sir.
When you are doing PR, did you feel the internal opening?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And is the probe easily going?
Yes, sir. Probe is easily going.
Probe को मौका मिल रहा है? Yeah, please show us.
So one examination something is according to Bhushas code, we can make up your internal openings.
Dr. Tushar is here from Gujarat. He wants to talk to you.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Probing procedure, especially for the beginners. Can you sir please highlight certain common principles? When to do the probing, how to do the probing, and what are the special precautions that you should take while doing this type of probing, sir?
So, before probing, we should have to put the digital finger exactly on the internal opening of the fistula where you have assessed it previously by a small nipple or a small elevation with the finger. Okay, sir. This is the first rectal examination, and along with that, we have before probing, we have to keep the digital finger in situ at exactly at the internal opening, and then we have to lubricate the tip of the probe. Yes, 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 yes. Definitely. It is a rule.
How about the concept of fistulectomy, or just a treatment by Charles Treatment? So what are the pros and cons of all the three treatments here?
If you want to look for a cosmetic deformity, just plain Charles therapy is a very beautiful therapy which is not going to give a ugly look after in a post-operative period. As like a fistulotomy or fistulectomy, whatever it may be. So to compensate the loss, there is a fibrosis and that is going to give some sort of cosmetic deformity also. And fistulotomy, fistulectomy, you know the reoccurrence rate also. But when you do it with the Charles radiation therapy, the
Fistulectomy will reduce the time
definitely, sir.
required for complete excision with the help of Charles.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
Sanghvi sir, Dr. Sanghvi.
Sanghvi sir. Sir, I think he is just outside.
Yes. And by the time Sanghvi sir comes, Dr. Sachin Patil, what is the idea of doing primary grading in the plain grade rather than applying direct Charles?
If you apply direct Charles, some patients are having some reactionary edema to take place to some patients. Every patient is going to give a different response because the Charles is a plastic material. Now, Sanghvi sir is
एक मिनट संजय सर, so डॉक्टर सचिन पाटिल आप ऐसा बोल रहे Dr. Sakti sir, Dr. Balareddy from Bagalkot has come in the auditorium with me and he wants to say good morning to you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Good afternoon. Long time.
All your questions today I am here.
बड़ी बड़ी काम लोग बच्चे हैं, डेवलपमेंट का काम करते हैं, डेवलपमेंट को आप लोगों के साथ में। डॉक्टर welcome Mala, I will back to you in the lunch. Thank you. Sonaki sir. I probably sir want to ask, add something. What was your last question?
Yeah, discussion चल रहा था. Please Dr. Nishant sir बोलिए.
Namaste sir.
नमस्कार, आइए welcome.
The main intention to apply blend thread for human application is, if you apply Chara Sutra, the Chara will not be utilized completely because of presence of discharge in the thread.
Zoom out.
If you apply blend thread, whatever the discharge separations are there, they will be drained out. And the coatings of Chara, if it is applied before they are put together, they will be completely in action and that will serve the purpose of development and other mode of action of the thread. That is the main intention.
So you will get optimum use of Chara Sutra in later.
If you apply Chara Sutra for first application, renal application, the coatings of Chara Sutra will not be utilized to the thread. They will come out along with the secretions which are present in the thread and they will.
आपका चेहरा कुछ अलग बात कर रहा है मेरे से.
मैं इससे पहले दुबल पुत्रा सर और क्या बोलते हैं तुषार ओपिनियन जाओ.
Hello.
Yes sir.
Yes sir, Dr. Dubal Putra.
Thank you very much.
I want to give my opinion on my experience regarding this type of fistula. Regarding to this type of fistula, not each and every type of fistula. This was a fiscal fistula. Basically, in this case, only internal sphincter. There is a lowermost internal sphincter mainly involved. No external sphincter is involved. So, each and every technique has some benefit and some drawbacks. If you are doing Chara Sutra treatment, I think there is no need of any anesthesia. In this type of fistula, with probing, clinically examining, you can pass the simple thread. Very next day or very third day, you can pass the Chara Sutra. So this is the benefit that without any anesthesia, you can do this type of fistula with Chara Sutra. The drawback is that you have to change the Chara Sutra. There will be some irritation every day till 2 to 3 days are changed. Later on, there will be a good healing start. Second thing, fistulotomy can be done in local anesthesia. Only you are dividing internal sphincter, so there will be a fistulotomy parcel. So there will be no recurrence of the fissure again. In local anesthesia, one can go for it without any dilatation because there is a sphincterotomy simultaneously. Margin of the trimming of the margin is essential in fistulotomy, otherwise there will be bleeding and then again recurrence will be there. One has to do PR dressing for 7 days to 10 days so the margins will slop down and there will be no bleeding. In fistulectomy is not advisable in this type of fistula because it is not necessary, there will be no deep fibrous tract. If you will do fistulectomy, then you will divide the external sphincter fiber simultaneously via internal sphincter fiber. So it is not advisable in this type of fistula. Healing and success will be equally good in each and every technique, provided that you are doing dressing, your assistant is not doing dressing. That's it.
1 second. संजय हाथ देख लिया. कैमरा शिफ्ट करिए. डॉक्टर तुषार ऑन द लाइन. डॉक्टर तुषार.
Yes sir. Yes sir. My question is very basically, would you apply first time Chara Sutra or blend thread?
Sir, Dr. Dubal Putra sir was right.
Sir को दे पहले.
See, if you
Sir, question is sir.
yes, okay. Then I have given my opinion. Now,
Only the question is basically,
this is your.
whether you pass first blend thread or Chara Sutra.
This is the answer for your question. In this type of fistula, you can pass Chara Sutra directly. No need to pass simple thread. But if you want to pass simple thread, so patient has not pain on the operative day, you can go. It makes no difference.
Thank you. What is your suggestion, Tushar?
Sir, there is always a difference of opinion.
What is your opinion? Don't compare with anybody else.
Okay, sir. I have seen that 1 out of 10 patients feel severe reaction or edema if you pass the Shah Sutra. So to compensate that thing, I believe that on the day 1 I always pass a simple linen marker thread, and on the second or the third day I give time for the acclimatization of the foreign body in fistula and
Excellent, excellent. Samudri. Dr. Samudri, is it all?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, give me your opinion. Don't compare everything. No for words. Yes, no. Yes, why, no, why.
If this case is given to me, I would like to do sphincterotomy, do sharp test. Sorry, fistulotomy.
Not this question. I have not asked that what to do. My question is very specific. Whether you plain thread or a Shah Sutra.
Shah Sutra.
Right.
Qualitative would like to add.
Bala.
Sir, if the case is being given to me as better, I would go for fistulotomy.
Not question. You are a whole unorganized blooded person. My question is very specific. Yes or no.
Primary threading of Shah Sutra.
Anybody before want to add anything?
Yes, sir. I am Solanki here.
Nice to hear your words.
I will add that I will do primary threading and then the Shah Sutra. The reason is, पहले primary threading का पैसा ले लूँगा और फिर Shah Sutra का पैसा ले लूँगा.
ठीक है, वो तो क्या होता है सर, वो बात नहीं है. Since of my 1979, I was in the PhD, I had a very big struggle when I started to do first year. And then I said to myself, without asking anybody, when I went to primary threading with the great threads, and then I got to second, third days. Because of that, one thing is that patient, when you do the soft, even though they are probing, you are giving a trauma to the internal union of the fistula, and it is very going to make an ulcers. Second thing is, as is the body, Shah Sutra itself is the foreign body.
Dr. Jogan Putra disputed that Shah Sutra is not foreign body, thread is a foreign body. I said whole thread with Shah Sutra is a foreign body.
Even though plain thread is also a foreign body.
Sir, coming back to the discussion, Dr. N.H. Kulkarni is around, तो मैं उनसे पूछना चाहूँगा, there is a simple question from the student कि ये जो primary threading या Shah Sutra कितना tight बांधेंगे?
Sir, actually for all applications of Shah Sutra and fistula cases, it should be snugly tight. It should just glide on the perineal skin. The thread is to drain whatever the separations are there, and the coating should be utilized. If we apply fourth day or fifth day, the coating should be in action or the unwanted debris.
आप बोलिए सर.
सर अभी ऐसा था कि बातें हो रही थी कि वो चीजें बहुत सारे plain मतलब जो है foreign body is the body, whether it be a Shah Sutra or it be a plain thread. But the Shah Sutra is contains alkaline and pH is 8.8 to 8.9 or maximum 9. So it is when each goes into the trauma, living of inside of the fistula. Your opinion, when there is an open wound or a lesion wound with the lumen inside of the mucosa, where should be a plain thread and what is the reaction of the Shah Sutra as per your science?
I used to do setons with prolines, and riding setons. I don't prefer cutting setons. I use riding setons to drain out the tissues when it is involving the sphincters.
Right, that we know, and you well documented in your modern science.
Yes.
My question of the word pathology, as well as that the plain thread, and there is an uncertain proof the outline on this. What is the reaction from the modern science?
Yes, sir, there will be lot of pain and burning.
Excellent, thank you very much. So the clear answer, take out this message in this fistula. If you are very comfortable, patient is doing well, it is very good. But I am a furious surgeon and I want to see the Ayurveda, and my patient should not go outside. So what my practice is that I will do brush primary threads and then I will put a Shah Sutra. This is my practice, and if you take this home, I think there will be no complications and patient will be accepted well.
Sir, during this discussion, there was a talk of using a very mild form of Shah Sutra in primary threading with less.
Kulkarni sir has said that it doesn't absorb and in situation it goes out
That in primary threading there should not be any chart.
Yeah, absolutely नहीं. अगर करते हैं तो फिर कोई कर रहा होगा. पहले थोड़ा टाइम करो फिर ज़्यादा टाइम करो ये क्या बात है?
Train करना है तो दिन भर के करना है.
हाँ, वो करते हैं ना लोगों ने कर रहा.
Yes, yes. As per my opinion, if we separate the skin edges or skin of the track and we apply the sharp sutra, then the irritation is less and the paining also less and the cutting time is improved. Firstly, in the under anesthesia when we are going to operate, we can easily separate the skin and then we tie the sharp sutra at the first time. No need to apply plain thread. Firstly, और मैं बोलूँगा कि जैसे कि पेशेंट भी बाहर गाँव से है, ज़्यादा दूर से है, तो वो भी सोचना चाहिए कि उसे एक सेटिंग के लिए उतना उसका आना जाएगा, समय बच जाएगा, तो पहले ही इसमें अपने शार्प सुथरा अप्लाई कर सकते हैं।
I appreciate your opinion.
और मैं थिंग ऐसा है कि यहाँ पे इंफिनिटिव फोकस है, मे बी देयर विल बी अब्सेस और कुछ होगा, तो वहाँ पे ब्रेन फिट करके थोड़ा वाइड ओपन करके ब्रेन होने दीजिए और फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम जब पूरी कैविटी ब्रेन हो जाती है और वहाँ पे सिर्फ ट्रैक रह जाती है, तो वहाँ पे अपन शार्प सुथरा यूज कर सकते हैं।
I will be happy with your expert opinion, but you have said very good. We are talking about the without anesthesia, either in a local, we are doing that what is your choice. Patient may be 100 kilometer or 500 kilometer.
सर लोकल में भी अपन जब शार्प सुथरा करेंगे फिचुला में, तो फिचुला ट्रैक की जो ऊपर की स्किन है उसे अपन सेपरेट करते हैं और एनल वर्ज और जो एक्सटर्नल ओपनिंग है वहाँ की जो एसएस की जो सेपरेट करते हैं तो पेशेंट को कटिंग पेन काफी लेस हो गई।
I don't know about the cutting pain. I said about only in the body sharp reaction on the cell. And very specific.
There is lot of analgesics to easily manage the pain.
Yeah, I think so. Sayani want to add something. He is a very good professor.
Sir, good morning.
Morning, welcome.
The skin is more sensitive and more somatic supply part. The irritation is on the skin. So
Right.
if there is an anesthesia that will be local or a spinal or a GA.
Right.
You can divide skin by country also, or you can take a small needle. You can separate the skin and you can apply